how to make products view only on Shopify. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your Shopify admin page. After that, tap on products from the top left hand corner. Then tap on collections. Over here, tap on create collection in the top right hand corner. After that, give your collection a name. Then select manual and tap on save in the bottom right hand corner. Over here, tap on search products, then tap on browse. Then select all the products on your store and tap on add. After that, if you want to rearrange the products, tap on best selling, then tap on manually. Then use the 6 dots to move the products into the order you want. After that, tap on online store from the left hand menu. Then tap on customize beside the theme that you're using. Over here, go to the left hand menu and select featured collection. Then scroll down and tap on change under the collection section. After that, tap on change collection and select the collection that you just created. Over here, if you have more than 4 or 8 products, adjust the maximum products to show slider up to 25. Then tap on save in the top right hand corner to apply the changes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.